Alright, hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Here I am up at Wynnum RC track again today. For those interested in this car, this is a Tamiya TG10R. It's basically their TRF version of a 110 scale nitro car. It was released back in 2001, 2002. And the recommended engine for this kit is the Tamiya Novarossi CX12 with a TM2 manifold and pipe there. This car's running Savox low profile servo there in the for the throttle brake, and just a standard size servo for the steering. And that's being controlled by just a Futaba 3PV radio. Good value radio, this one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fire it up and put it on track, see how we go. So just a quick note on the needle settings for the Novarossi engine here. They were set to a stock setting, and I've just mucked around with them and got them to a point where the car idles well, it starts easily, and it's got good top end. Needle valves are very particular to the area that you're running the vehicles, so the needle settings that I'm running on mine are not necessarily going to work for anybody else. It's always worthwhile just to have those base settings, so you've got a good starting point, and you can always work from there. What I'll do now is I'll fire it back up and I'll throw a body on it, which will be the one that they suggest you use in the kit, which is the Cusco Subaru WRX. It took me a while to track down this body shell. It's come up not too bad. So I'll fire it up again, we'll throw that on and see how it goes. There's a quick run, and as you would have seen, I've actually just come off the track as well, and I've run into a Marshall station. The chassis itself seems to be okay, but unfortunately the body shell has taken a bit of It's taken a bit of a hit. As you can see there, it's creased the body and it's knocked a bit of paint off. So these are the risks we take running around these old nitro cars, but anyway, you win some, you lose some. That's right. I'll find another body one of these days. Back to the car. So the car is running a little bit warm. It's probably running a little bit lean. Having said that, the body shell doesn't have any ventilation holes cut out of it either. Right, there you go. There's a running video of the Novarossi CX12. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the section below. You can also check out Cusco RC on Instagram. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.